can pay GST. And how does GST work? Generally, I would say, no, you don't pay GST, but GST is, for commercial properties, it's regarded as a going concern. So in other words, what does that mean? A going concern is a business that is in operation. So long as the sale includes everything that is necessary for the business to continue in its current operations, you do not pay GST. Why is that important? Because when you settle that property, if you are going to pay GST, you are going to pay 10% more than what you have on the table. So if you are going to pay GST, you're paying 10% more than the negotiated price. You do get that 10% back. However, it would have to be at your next BAS, which means that you've got to sit on loss of 10% for 3 months, and you don't actually get that money back in your pocket. It just goes into your BASs and gets eroded down. You're going to make sure that the business is continued by the purchaser until the day of sale and or thereafter, that there's an operating business in the premises, which means that they'll be exempt from GST. To avoid GST, the buyer must be registered for GST. So again, you want to be speaking to your legal advisors, seek independent financial advice, and ensure that the property is exempt from GST, unless you're buying a vacant property and you're aware of the vacancy and you're aware of the cost of paying that GST, which, like I said, is recoverable in time. If the property is vacant, you'll need to pay the GST. However, it can be claimed back in your next business activity statement. That is the difference. Very simply, if it's tenanted, no GST. If it's vacant, you pay GST.